The thing I appreciated most about today was just the fact that a lot of people were very honest with everything that they felt about money, whether it was childhood related or early adult struggles. It was kind of a pretty vulnerable event where everyone really did pour out and they didn't hold back.
You can really only grow your business to the extent that you grow yourself personally.
You know, what's interesting about this event is it says rich agent, poor agent. I think you could take the word agent and through today realize that you can replace that with almost every one of those sponsors.
Everything you've seen in the media tells you make more money, right? It tells you earn. It tells you how to keep, or how to make the money, how to hustle, how to grind, how to do all of this stuff.
Maybe I don't want to grow my business. Maybe my business is in a great place and I built it to, it's a smooth running machine, and I'd rather actually grow my travel this year or grow something else.
The fear I have for all of you is not the market, it's yourselves. The fear of thinking that last year was the metric to start this year, and next year has to be better than that, and then again and again. That's not sustainable.
I have two boys, 11 and 8. What do I say to them? When do I bring them into the conversation so that they don't have the same extreme anxiety that I have?
Those are the conversations they happen right now. They happen every single day, not intentionally, unintentionally.
I've spent the last 2.5 years working like 20% compared to what I used to do.
One, they think, oh dude, you own this company, you make $1 million, right? Like that's what they believe.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.